Machines, robots, and science all get more sophisticated every day. Today, we have some great inventions for you that will blow your mind. We have something for everyone, so stick around and enjoy the machines that will steal your heart and make you a believer in futuristic technology. The demand to have environmentally friendly, time-saving robots have made companies more innovative and creative. Today, we get to share some of those creative pieces with you, so stick around. Viking Masek Velocity. Have you ever wondered how many workers it would take to work in a peanut factory? The number you thought of? It is far less than that thanks to the Viking Masek Velocity machine. This machine can package up to 180 bags of nuts per minute. Let's face it, even if you had 150 workers, this would not be possible. It has also crossed your mind to ask how they know the weight amount of the bag content. They do not have to, thanks to the automated process that does all of this for them. Developed by Viking Masek, a company in Czech Republic, this machine has been a lifesaver for companies of this type. The entire process seems seamless, can be completed in under an hour, from dividing the nuts into its correct proportions to packaging and sealing of the bags. With a width that ranges from 50 to 300 millimeters, this process can also be used for sweets and other products of this nature. Here, you see the high-performance, super-efficiency Viking Masek Velocity machine in full force without manual help. Let's show you something even cooler. Expand R5090. Now, this is something to see. Look at this. The easiest way to reap crops from trees without manually picking them. This machine features perfect intelligence and developed by a French company called Palance. Expand R5090 was designed for the olive harvesting industry and is unique to its kind. A large tarpaulin is rolled out covering the tree's circumference. A specially designed shaker then gently shake the tree, and then the real work can begin. The olives are then guided onto a conveyor belt and into a tank. Of course, this process causes excellent efficiency, as the crops are harvested up to 30% faster than usual. Expand R5090 can harvest as many as 1,200 trees in a day, collecting 99% of the fallen harvest onto the tarp circumferencing the tree. Magical stairs. Zhao Mayorong created a possible lifesaver. Multi-story buildings have been a danger zone in case of emergency. Persons on higher stories are generally at greater risk than those on lower ones. This invention could be the difference between life and death. Magical stairs are simply metal slides running from the top floors of a building to the nearest exit. In approximately 90 seconds, persons could get from the 28th floor to the bottom level. In fact, up to 100 persons can be evacuated in a minute using these stairs. Magic stairs would seem like a simple ramp in the building as they take up limited space and do not inconvenience regular movement. Magic stairs are patented locally and internationally as countries, including the United States, Russia, and Japan, are interested in this genius idea. Hyundai HDC6 NEPTUNE. Okay, now it's time to get down to business. Meet the Hyundai HDC6 NEPTUNE, a futuristic vehicle that reflects all-in-one that would need in a semi-truck. HDC6 NEPTUNE is one of the most technologically advanced vehicles we have yet to see. It operates with no noise, it's hydrogen-powered, and is classified as a Class 8 truck according to the United States standards. While the exact parameter of this truck is unknown, this semi-truck and its outstanding performance are something to look forward to in the future. This truck will offer convenience, comfort, and efficiency in transportation. If you can't wait to travel in this vehicle, I can bet you are not alone. Artisan Z40. Do you want to see a battery-powered dump truck? Yes. What you are looking at is a battery-powered dump truck designed to work under the worst conditions while executing high performance and excellent efficiency. Forget harmful emissions, as this truck is environmentally friendly and can carry up to 40 tons of material. A company from the United States called Artisan designed this dump truck to be eco-friendly. Work in mines and quarries with a regenerative braking system. This braking system affords the truck harness energy that can be used later. Artisan Z40 unloads in 10 seconds, making it a must-have on your construction site. VENTURI Antarctica. When we said you would see inventions that would steal your heart, I bet you were not expecting to see this. VENTURI Antarctica, designed to work in the worst snow conditions, producing zero emission. The company designed VENTURI Antarctica in Monaco to be the first electric car in the polar Antarctic. While manufacturers must have been challenging to create an environmentally safe vehicle in freezing temperatures, however, at the end, they have achieved this goal. Combining efficiency and great technology can work wonders if you know what you are doing. VENTURI Antarctica goes up to 25 kilometers an hour, working in very thick layers of snow. Now the only question is, what do we have for you next? Karcher EDI-4. Look what you can get for only $56, and if you live in places subject to snowy weather, you may need to get one. Removing ice from your windshield could be this easy. This electric ice scraper is called the EDI-4 from Karcher. Equipped with a rotating disc with plastic blades to protect your glass, it takes zero efforts to operate and removes ice crust from your vehicle. A single charge can have your car ice-free in no time and ready for the road. If the rotating disc ever gets damaged, replace the rotating disc and you are good to go. Even if only traveling to a snowy area for a short time, be sure to check out the Karcher EDI-4 and be sure to let us know what you think about it. SALTO. SALTO, an impressive robot, you can actually teach tricks. Weighing only 100 grams, SALTO is providing that the future is nearer than we think. When researchers in Berkeley at the University of California made SALTO, maybe not even they knew precisely what it could do. It is very sophisticated. Its first showing was in 2016, and its development has not stopped since then. It bounces, spins, and can move its leg at all angles. Its jumping calculations are precise, and SALTO receives data like no other robot ever seen. SALTO can jump over 300 times in 4 minutes, with a margin of error of only a few centimeters. SALTO's speed is up to 16 kilometers per hour, with a jumping height of 120 centimeters. SALTO is for sure only the beginning of what is to come from this type of technology. Thank you for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed this incredible list we have put together for you today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time.